Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Zoho Mail for email marketing. While Zoho Mail provides your professional email address, the actual marketing magic happens through its integration with Zoho campaigns. This powerful duo allows you to manage your contacts, craft engaging emails, and launch targeted campaigns to your audience. We will explore how to set up your account, create compelling content, and analyze your campaign performance to maximize your outreach efforts. To begin, you will connect your Zoho Mail account with Zoho campaigns. This integration ensures a smooth flow for your email marketing activities. Next, import your contact lists, which can include up to 2,000 subscribers on the free plan, and segment them into targeted groups. This allows for personalized messaging. Remember to authenticate your domain to improve deliverability and maintain a strong sender reputation, which is crucial for successful campaigns. Now, let's craft engaging emails. Zoho Campaigns offers hundreds of customizable templates, making designs simple and efficient. Personalize your messages using merge tags, like including a subscriber's first name, to create a more intimate connection. You can also /B test different subject lines or content to see what resonates best with your audience. Finally, schedule your campaigns to send at optimal times, ensuring your messages reach recipients when they are most likely to open them. After sending your campaigns, it is vital to analyze their performance. Zoho Campaigns provides comprehensive reports showing key metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, and bounce rates. You can track individual subscriber activity, seeing who opened your email and what links they clicked. Use these valuable insights to understand what works and what doesn't. This data-driven approach allows you to continuously refine your strategies, leading to more effective and successful email marketing efforts over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.